Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam, guys. I'm just out and about, guys, and we need to bring this video to you guys. And I know a lot of you are panicking out there. A lot of you are like going crazy, and you're seeing that Bitcoin went as low as $45,000 late last night. And remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is absolutely not financial advice, guys and gals. So you guys are seeing that right now that Bitcoin went down as low as $45,000 yesterday, and you know, a lot of you are still, you know, talking about, do you think this is the end of the bull run? Is this absolutely are we finished? I don't think so, guys. And you know, there's a lot of on-chain data that's still saying and telling me that absolutely we are not at the end of the bull run yet, and we still have a lot of time to go. And we still, remember, we still have 2 weeks, guys. And guys and gals, zoom out. You know, back in July, we had gone down, you know, to $30,000 for Bitcoin, and people were not going crazy. People were not, you know, jumping up and down and losing their mind. And you know, so we have been here before, and we were still in the bull run back then. So what is the difference this time, guys? There's absolutely nothing this time about that time. You know, we are still at, you know, went down to 45,000. Right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 46,434, and it's down 2.88%. But we've come up a lot. You know, we've come up almost you know, $1,600 since it went down to $45,000, guys. So also we're seeing that, you know, if you look at the outflows of Bitcoin on exchanges right now, you're seeing that we're seeing more Bitcoin is flowing off exchanges than flowing in. We're seeing that the Bitcoin exchange reserves are also at the lowest they've ever been in years. So, you know, the fundamentals of Bitcoin are still pretty strong. You know, one of the reasons that we're seeing, you know, Bitcoin go down and the broader markets go down is because there's a lot of fear out there. There is a lot of fear out there. You know, we have regulatory fear. We have the, you know, the Russia FUD story that's coming out, and you know, we have Jeremy Powell and the interest rates. But it's not over, guys. And also right now we're just about to enter a full moon, right? We're just about to enter a full moon, and you know what happens when full moons come? When full moons come, we often see a huge dippity dips, guys. So guys, don't expect things to go up forever, guys. We are going to see a little bit of a dip this weekend, perhaps because of the full moon cycle. But if you look at the RSI, if you look at the information from TechDev and RSI, the RSI looks like Bitcoin is going to have a bounce to the upside, guys. It looks like we're going to see a huge bounce, and all the technicals are saying that we're going to have a huge bounce. If you look at Bitcoin on the 50-day weekly moving average, also we've just hit a critical point, and that critical point is indicative of a bounce. And we've seen this time and time again. When we hit this critical point, we hit a bounce, guys. So I wouldn't be panicking too much in the house, guys. There is nothing really much to worry about, guys. And we're seeing that, you know, we're still seeing that, you know, billionaires like Michael Saylor, they're still aping into Bitcoin. They're still aping into crypto like crazy, guys. And you know, we got you know, Dalio in the house, and he's a huge billionaire. He used to be a Bitcoin Debbie Downer, but he is now saying that Bitcoin is a better hedge against gold. And a lot of people are seeing that Bitcoin is a better hedge than gold in terms of fighting off inflation. And we're seeing that time and time again, guys. And we're seeing that the people adoption rate of cryptocurrency, the adoption rate of cryptocurrency as a whole is gaining traction. We also see that, you know, the FDIC has just approved that credit unions can now work with crypto platforms to offer crypto services to their customers, guys. So this is huge news. There's a lot of huge catalysts out there for cryptocurrency, and I absolutely do not believe that this is the end of the bull run. Some people have been beating me up in the comments saying, you know, what am I talking about? Why I cannot accept that the bull run is over? Because I don't believe it's over. You guys can believe whatever you want out there. You can believe whatever you want out there. Guys, don't forget to go out there, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, and absolutely do not forget to give super chats in the house. You can believe whatever you want, but I do not believe that for a second that this bull run is over. Sure, there's a lot of fear, and there's a lot of fear out there right now. We can see that, you know, the fear and greed is at 21 already, and you know, a lot of people are disappointed because Plan B totally got it wrong, guys. He got it wrong, and that's also, you know, created a little bit of a Debbie Downer incident for everybody. But we're still seeing, you know, even though we're still, everything is down, Bitcoin is still at 46,500, and I am not going to capitulate. I am not going to give up, guys. I'm going to continue to believe that this bull run is not over. I still expect that we can hit $75,000 to $80,000 for Bitcoin. And when that happens, it's going to take all of the other cryptocurrencies up with it. It's going to take Dogecoin. It's going to take Shiba Inu up with it, guys. So let's jump into the coins right now in the house, guys. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at $46,538 in the house. That's down 2.73%, guys. We're seeing Ethereum. Ethereum right now is at 3,904, and that's down 169. And we're still better than where we were yesterday. Yesterday when I went to sleep, we saw that Ethereum had gone down to like 3,800, so people were panicking in the house. We're seeing that BNB right now is at $527, and that's only down slightly. It's not even down 1%, guys. And we're seeing that Solana right now is down 2.12%, and that's $175 in the house. We're seeing ADA right now is also down 1.4%, and that's at $1.24. Remember, I told you guys I'm a buyer, absolutely a buyer. I'm absolutely a buyer at $1, and we're seeing Avalanche is on fire, guys. It's defying the odds, and we're seeing that Avalanche right now is at $112, and that's up 9.37%. We're seeing Luna as well is down slightly at 64.35, and it's only down about 0.5%. So, and we're seeing that Doge right now has come back up a little bit from where it was. It was down, just around 16 cents. It was touching, 15.9, 16 cents. So it's back up to 17 cents, and it's $1.55. So the Shiba Inu right now is also not looking good. It's well below its support level, and we have some critical support at 33, and it's below that support, and it's down 2.97%. Now Matic is still pointing some positive numbers right now. Matic in the house is at $2.13. Remember, this is the time of recording, guys, so don't beat me up in the comments, guys. Don't beat me up in the comments. And Matic right now is at $1.59 in the house, guys. CRO is down as well. It's at 52 cents. So we're seeing that right now overall the crypto markets are pretty much down. Remember, it's a weekend. As I said, we got the full moon happening, and typically when we have the full moon, we see that there's usually a dip, guys, and we've seen this time and time again, the dip. So guys, I'm going to zoom myself out. I'm zooming myself out. What you guys have to do, you guys absolutely have to zoom out, guys. And if you just look at the trend for Bitcoin, if you look at the trend for Ethereum, and you zoom out on the 1 day, on the weekly, you can see that the overall trend right now is still up. Sure, we've had some peaks and valleys. We've absolutely had some peaks and valleys out there, guys. But the bull run is not over, guys. You want to beat me up in the comments, you want to go nuts, you want to say that the OG doesn't know what he's talking about. Fine, go for it, guys, bring it on. But I believe, and you guys will be hugely surprised when I see that Bitcoin is going to go up, and that's going to take all the old coins up with it. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance right now is around about 39.2 to 40% right now, depending on what exchange you're looking at. But we're still not in altcoin season. Bitcoin is dominating. That's why all the altcoins are moving in parallel with Bitcoin's ups and downs. That's just normal, guys. That is absolutely normal. So the takeaway that I want you to take away from this video is very simple. 1, the on-chain data is showing that Bitcoin is still fundamentally looking very good. Bitcoin just bounced above the 50-week SMA. That's very bullish. We've seen that when Bitcoin bounces above the 50 weekly SMA, we see that often there's big parabolic rise. We have a lot of information from TechDev that I've talked about in previous videos, and this information is pretty bullish. We see that the RSI is going down, and this is often an indicator that we're going to bounce to the upside. And just go back and watch my previous videos, guys. All the technical data, all the fundamental data is there, and it's pointing to a huge upside for Bitcoin coming soon. And guys, December's not over. We still have about 2 weeks left before 2022. And I still believe, I still believe that this bull run is going to extend into 2022. And this is going to be the first time that happens. Normally, the bull runs, you get these blow off tops at the end of the year, but I believe that we could still continue, to the middle, to the end of January or beyond, that we could still see ourselves going uppity, up, up. And one of the reasons I'm saying that, guys, is just turn on your thinking caps for a second. In previous bull runs, we didn't have ETFs. Now we got ETFs. Checkity check. This bull run, we've had, in this last 12 months, we've had more and more institutions jumping into Bitcoin, jumping into Ethereum, jumping into Solana. Look at MicroStrategy. They've jumped into altcoins. They've jumped into Bitcoin. They've jumped into a lot of projects that nobody would have. Micro said he's buying the hell out of Bitcoin, guys. And we're seeing more and more. Like Dalio, who thought that Bitcoin was a joke, is now saying that Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation. And more of Nancy Drew and Joe Public are aping into Bitcoin and aping into cryptocurrency because they see it as a hedge against inflation. And there's no denying it that the Fed just lifted the ceiling, just lifted the debt ceiling to 2.5 trillion, guys. You don't think that's going to have an impact on inflation? You don't think that's going to drive, Joe Public, Joe Nancy Drew to look for other alternatives to store their savings? Because, guys, if you keep your money in the bank, you're going to be losing. You're basically paying, losing 6 or 7% because of the inflation. So at the end of the day, you end up with less than what you put in. So people need to have an escape. And, gold is not as popular as it used to be. People who used to be gold maxis are now aping back into cryptocurrency. And cryptocurrency is the future, guys. Blockchain is the future. Look at NFTs. It's exploding. Look at DeFi, guys. DeFi is going to the moon. And the other huge opportunity that a lot of you don't really understand and are missing, and remember, this is not financial advice, is the metaverse and gaming is a huge opportunity to all of you out there, guys. And this is the time to be aping in, because I believe that gaming and metaverse are going to 5x, 10x. Some projects could go 100x in 2022. So these are the projects you definitely want to be looking at, guys. So stop panicking, guys. I know that a lot of you, your portfolios are down. Remember, some of you entered into this crypto market late. Despite all of this, my portfolios, basically, I'm up like 300-400% because I got in early. I know that some of you got in late and your portfolios are showing negative returns. All you can do in this case is hold, dollar cost average, buy the dips. That brings your strike price way down, guys, and that will lead you into profit. So, the secret for being successful in crypto is very simple. You need to hodl and wait for life-changing wealth. Because in 2025, when we have the next bull run just preceding the halving, the crypto markets are going to be even more frothy. They're going to be more foamy, and things are going to be going up like crazy. So worst case scenario, guys, you wait till 2025 if you're not in a hurry, okay? But, if you're in profit, I recommend, this is not financial advice, this is what I'm doing, you may want to consider it, is I'm just going to be holding, and I believe by the end of the year, we're going to see all the altcoins. We're going to see Bitcoin going to the moon, guys. We're going to see things go uppity up. So don't panic so much in the house, guys. Do not panic. Oh, you're going to love it. I love it, guys. So this is the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto, saying, guys, don't panic. Cheer up. Happy weekend. The full moon is coming. Expect a dip, guys. I'm telling you right now, expect a dip. Expect a dip. It's coming. It's going to happen. It's full moon fever, guys. And it sounds crazy. It sounds ludicrous. But if you're looking at the trading view charts, go to the full moon indicator, and you're going to see absolutely, it's true. It's going to happen. So, guys, with that being said, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Do it now. Follow on Twitter. Show some love to the OG. Go down there. Smash the likes. subscribe, YB, comment. This is just a casual video, guys. I didn't want to, show you a whole bunch of charts and go all technical. I just want to basically talk to you guys. I want to talk to my community, say stop panicking. Don't forget to go down there, check the links, guys, and check out the merch, guys. Check out the Gear Up with the OG merch. You know you want it. I want it. Get it. Gear Up with the OG merch. And guys, don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi channel. You know you want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Woo!